All right, Scott, the next stop for our team coverage is the Mon Wharf.
Channel 4 Action News reporter Ari Height is live there to explain why it is closed down today. Ari?
Yeah, there is a flood advisory in effect right now, and let me show you why. The Mon River, we've been here since about 4 o'clock this morning. It has risen just a bit since we've been here. It's about the level of the sidewalk here. Right now they say that's about 17 feet. It will flood at 18 feet. It's expected to crest at around 19 feet 3 inches later on this afternoon, and that is why you can see the Mon Wharf down here. It's empty. This area is closed. If you park down here, you're going to have to find somewhere else to go today. And of course, this is not the only area affected by storms over the last couple of days. Many people had to deal with falling trees and power lines as those strong winds move through. There were quite a few problems in Fayette County where the winds were so strong, they actually blew a construction worker off of a roof. He suffered a head injury, possibly a broken arm. Also in Fayette County, gusty winds caused a Christmas tree to come crashing down outside the Fairchance Borough building. That tree had just been decorated Tuesday night.
I think it's pretty amazing how strong the wind is. It bent the poles that the tree was holding up.
In Newcastle, Lawrence County, falling trees knocked bricks from a building, eventually causing part of that to collapse. Fortunately, nobody was hurt there. And I want to make one more mention here. The incline back there, that's also closed this morning. They are running shuttle buses, though, so that's the way you can get back down to the south side. That is the very latest from the Mon Wharf. Reporting live, Ari Height, Channel 4 Action News.